Hey students, Miss Cuomo here. I want to explain what we're going to be doing and how the classes will work up until the AP exam. So we have a new schedule that you'll see on your feed. This is Saturday I'm making this, so it's not there yet. But you'll see a post that says plan for the week. Please read this first. You clearly read it if you are listening to the screencast because that's where the screencast is. So let's look at the schedule we got. How this will work is we're going to be looking at this with two approaches. Content and skills are what we need to do to get you to do the best you can on the AP exam. So for content, I'm going to leave that to the AP Live classes because they're doing an excellent job. So each day of the week, you will watch the newest live class and continue adding to the notes you started last week. And the reason I want you to add the notes to the same notes instead of me reassigning it daily is so that when you're taking the AP exam, you can have access to one document that has all the notes, right? You don't want to be switching between documents. So you're going to keep adding to that document. So the title of that assignment was AP Live Classes and Notes. You're now going to have to make the notes yourself. Okay, you're going to have to go in and turn them in yourself. So that means you're going to fill out this document. Make it your own. I would title each section of your notes like I did here. It doesn't have to be in a table. It can be however you want. I need to be able to, when I look at your assignment, be able to tell which notes you did. But you're going to be in charge of making the template now yourself because since I already assigned it to you, I can't restructure it without deleting everything you guys did. So you're going to go in and add titles of all the newest classes you're watching. You don't need to add the date if you don't want to, totally up to you, but go ahead and add in and make this your own, okay? And on Fridays, you will turn it in, I will check it and send it back to you, okay? So we're gonna be working out of the same document all week. So each day of the week, again, we'll go back to our little schedule here. Each day of the week, you'll be looking at the AP Live classes. I will post the link daily, but you can also go to youtube.com/advanced placement and look for AP Euro. Those classes are live at 11 a.m. So if you want to watch them live or if you want to watch them after, that is up to you because I know you guys take other classes, but they don't go live until 11 a.m. That's just how they work. Okay. In addition to those daily classes that you're watching, I want you to do a daily check-in. Okay. The daily check-in will look like this. Again, it's black right now because I haven't posted it yet, but it'll say daily assignment and live class. So when you open it, it'll have a link to a Google form and a link to that day's live class. Okay, so when you go to the Google form, it's the most simple that you can think of. It's mostly just to check in with you guys, do our attendance questions, see how you guys are doing. So here you see your typical how are we feeling, anything you'd like to share, your attendance question for the day. And then the food question, let me know if anything's changed, if you need more food. And all I'm asking you are you caught up with your AP Euro assignments? And if not, what is your plan to do so? This will turn into a long answer question. I will fix that in a little bit. Okay. And then it just will have the schedule. I'll announce once I have the next classes. They're still working on which ones they're doing next. And then a quote of the day like we've had. So not much is changing there, except you're not having much work in the daily assignment other than letting me know where you are with your work. So you still get credit for doing those assignments. Make sure you're doing them because they're the most simple assignments you can do. You might as well get a point for it, right? Let me just change this question while we're here. Great. All right. The other thing you see on our schedule here, so let's go back to the schedule for the week, is we still have our Tuesday, Thursday live classes. I do have to change the dates as I'm updating this, but the live classes will be different. They're not going to be just Kahoot and review and PowerPoint based. You guys wrote a DBQ this past week. I am in the middle of grading it. On Tuesday of the first live class, so this will be 4/21, I will tell you the trends. What, as a class, you guys need to work on, and whatever that biggest trend is, we're going to practice in class, okay? And the reason for that is you guys tend to be in the same area with what you need to work on, and since this is the only thing you're going to be doing on the AP exam, it's very important that we do it well. So on Tuesdays, we're going to go over trends, what skills we need to practice, whether it's context, thesis, analysis, hipping, sourcing, outside info, whatever it is, we'll work on that. And then on Thursday, we're going to be simulating a live DBQ. Okay, so it's 45 minutes. Our classes are usually an hour, so it's actually quicker than what we're normally doing. Okay, you'll come in, okay, I'll put a timer on and we'll kind of stimulate how it will work. And then we're going to see how well you're writing in that time frame. And we're going to be doing this Tuesday, Thursday thing until the exam, so that we're going to be continuously writing DBQs a week, each week, and then analyzing what within that DBQ we need to work on. Okay, and as the College Board releases more information, they're going to release a practice portal, they're going to release new stuff to help us. We'll use those once they're released. But until then, watch the AP Live videos Monday through Friday, check in with me, let me know how you're doing, and then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we're reviewing information and then practicing it, okay? Let me know if you have any questions, and if not, I will see you on Tuesday.